This is just plain tough, guys. It's supposed to be the same roast, but this one is clearly lighter. Is that tough to tell on camera? I think the biggest thing that gives it away is that you can see way more of the inside of those right there. See how much more white shows up in these? Much lighter. You can see more of those. Whereas these all look quite a bit darker to me. This is what a light roast looks like today. And it's not even a full light roast if you look at that label. Is this a light roast? So, compared to Starbucks, yes, this may be a light roast, but compared to Third Wave Coffee, that's what Third Wave Coffee looks like nowadays, guys. This is what brings out more flavor, is having these roasts not as black. Because once you get to that black status, there's not very much flavor left. It's a caramelized, black, chocolatey finish, and that's it. This, you can bring out a lot more flavors. You should see some of the flavor wheels that a lot of these roasters look for, and hold on. So for baby boomer generations, this Dazbog may be a light roast, and it looks like there is a picture on here of these roasters from a very long time ago fleeing Russia in 1974 on their Dazbog coffee. But as far as the overall third wave new coffee movement, that stuff's just not a light roast anymore, guys. Like, I really value all the craftsmanship they put into this, because when you read this, it talks about all the things they did to get a perfect roast on it. Like, didn't just jump through the roast process is what it says here. But I don't know, guys, it just seems way too old school, and it like when we brewed it, all those colors that came out in the oils, the way it blossomed, it was like pretty amazing in that factor. I think that is really awesome. But overall, it says here with like light-bodied blend of tangy overtones and a clean finish. I disagree, especially when comparing it to this kind of coffee, the Sidamo, the Ethiopian, all those coffees that are out there today. Man, it's hard to go back to something that's that dark, that roasted like that. There's just no flavors that come through, in my opinion. It's just so chocolatey or caramely. That's about it. That's all I ever feel from those guys. And the biggest problem with the intro was that I grabbed a bag that was nothing like the first bag I had. So the inconsistency in the roast for me was probably the biggest problem. Dazbog guys, I'd love to see what you could do if you made an even lighter light roast. Wait for the next episode.